Good morning. This morning I'm going to show you how to get into your child's Google Classroom account. This is specific to my classroom, so everything you see on the screen is what you will see when you click it. On your child's device, which will be an iPad, you will see an icon that looks like this. You are going to click on that icon, and you will see Miss Markham's Kindergarten. Click on that. And that will take you into the front page, the class or the stream page of our kindergarten or our Miss Markham's Google site. I will put little messages here. So our first message is, hi friends, welcome to kindergarten in our Google Classroom. Click on classwork to see your work. So look up here at the top and you will see classwork. If you click on classwork, this is going to be the page where you find the assignments. At the top, you're going to see parent links. We'll come back to those because those are just for the parents. But each day you'll see, all of these won't necessarily be there, but you'll see topics underneath the day. If you click on it, there will be an assignment in there. You're going to view the assignment and do the assignment. And when you're done, you will have to click the blue button at the top to turn it in. And then you can go back. Maybe if the computer lets us, you can go back and do the next assignment, okay? Just make sure you click the blue button at the top to turn it in. Each day there will be assignments for you. Again, not necessarily all of these. Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. At the bottom, there will be some assignments in here for early finishers. So if you get done super early and you still have some time and would like to do some more work, there will be some fun assignments in here that you can try. Under completed assignments is where we're going to put work from the weeks before so that it will never entirely disappear, but that it will be easier to navigate up here instead of having them all up here. Just the assignments for the week will be up here. Previous week assignments will be down under completed assignments if you ever need them. Going back to the top for just the parents. Up here we have access to office hours, and you will see it tells you who's doing the office hours on what day and the link to the Google Zoom. Remember that office hours are optional if you need to ask us a question or touch base with us about something, but you will not necessarily get your child's teacher each day. So make sure you're looking at who you're going to be Zooming with. You are also free to email or call or schedule a time with your child's teacher if you want to talk to them specifically. Google site. Here's the link to our classroom Google site. Parents, this is just for you. Yes, I put a student page on there to link them back to the Google Classroom if they should ever need to go there, but we're going to look at your page today. So under there, I have my email. Just a quick, if you need to get to it. Class Dojo again, hopefully you've signed up for that. That's again our behavior system and a way of messaging you. I will put the newsletters in here, so each week the newsletter will be uploaded here. Our theme calendar will be uploaded here. That's the calendar that has what we're teaching every week and then events that are happening during the week. The homework calendar will also be loaded here. That's the calendar that details the homework for the nights. Important documents, anything that the office sends or that we deem that you need to have access to, we will put under here. Any tutorials that will be like the Google tutorial or Seesaw tutorials, anything that you might need help getting information on how to use will be under here. And then I also included a link to the Kendall website. This page will be updated and more stuff will be added if needed. Also in here, we go to the student page. I have a link to the websites and apps. So those will be on your child's iPad, but if for some reason the iPad doesn't work and you need to get in here, I gave you the access code on a sheet of paper at Open House for the Google site. If you come to the Google site, you'll be able to click on the student page and get into our Google Classroom and into our websites and apps. That's just in case the iPad does not work. because they will have that on their iPads, which will be easier for them to access. If you have any questions, please let me know. I would be happy to help you out with this. Thank you.